Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox animations for YouTube. First, install Roblox Studio and choose a video editing software like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. Next, familiarize yourself with the animation editor within Roblox Studio. Prepare your Roblox character and the environment where your animation will take place, ensuring all assets are ready for use. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth animation workflow. Now, let's dive into creating your animation. Utilize the animation editor in Roblox Studio to pose your character and set keyframes for movement. Focus on achieving smooth, natural transitions between each pose to make your animation fluid and engaging. Once satisfied, export your animation as a video file, typically in a high-definition format, ready for further editing. This step brings your creative vision to life. With your animation exported, import it into your chosen video editing software. This is where you add the magic. Incorporate background music that fits your theme, along with sound effects to enhance actions. Consider adding a voiceover for narration or character dialogue. Further enhance visuals with engaging text overlays, smooth transitions, and color correction to give your video a polished, professional look. Aim for a captivating viewing experience. Finally, it's time to prepare your animation for the world. Export your finished video in a high-quality format, such as 1080 pixels or 4K, ensuring crisp visuals. Before uploading, optimize your video's title, description, and tags with relevant keywords to improve its discoverability on YouTube. You can then schedule your video for a specific release time or publish it immediately, sharing your creation with your audience. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.